Hello again, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios, Roblox, and SwordBurst 2. I am here at the 2023 SwordBurst 2 Halloween event, and there is a small meat grinder going here at the Headless Horseman. I wanted to show you guys what we were doing. Wish there were more people here, but we have enough to kill them quickly and hopefully get a legendary here pretty soon. I'm going to pull back up here with the rest of the guys and get it started. The only problem with AFKing around the Headless Horseman, here he comes, is he pushes. He pushes a lot. Not like the Wendigo. The Wendigo does not push. But the Headless Horseman likes to get a person and do circles around them and try to clobber them that way. So he's not as bad as Wendigo. He doesn't incinerate you immediately. But as you can see, poof, he's gone. This is a great bunch of people and wanted to give them a shout out. We've got Eat the Dog Food, Rainmaker, very interesting spelling, Shadow, Festering, Gob, really? And then, hey, look at that, Delta Climber 2. I brought my little laptop guy down to try and help out the crew. Some people have the Dracula vampire cape, and most of us don't, but I'm hopeful still. We're going to clobber one more and then let you guys go. I wanted you to see that it is possible. It is the 4th day of November, and it is only like 10 o'clock at night. That's standard Central Time. I sure hope we can get another one of these going. A meat grinder here at the Headless Horseman. The Headless Horseman drops 5 legendaries, which is really good. It's got 5 things underneath stats. I don't know if that's a skill. I think it's a shield and 4 other things, but we're hopeful. One person's already gotten 3 drops. And we are indeed hopeful. I'm going to try and knock them on out here. That Sword Storm chain skill that comes from DaBaby on floor 12 is awesome during this event. Well, there you have it. All the fireworks behind me as well. The meat grinder at the Headless Horseman. Maybe that's where his head went. We never can tell. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it encourages you to start your own meat grinder or come join ours. It's totally up to you. But in any case, have fun playing the game. Play it straight, though. Don't hack. Until next time, arrivederci.
This has been a Delta Climber Studio production.